If it's a bird.
No. You can just touch the birds.
Yan, tama para dili masama.
Ayaw niya. Hello, birds.
Hello, bird.
Hello, red bird.
Hi, red bird.
Red parrot.
Hello, red parrot.
You want the green one? Let's do the green one. The green parrot. Ask Kuya, what's his name?
What's his name?
Midori.
Hello, Midori.
Hello.
Sasa yung para.
Hey!
Okay.
Red bird.
You want the red bird?
Red bird.
Wait lang siya ta.
You raise your hands like that. Like that. Keep your hands straight. May pagkaon.
Hello. Want to eat?
You want to eat?
Dad,
Three.
Hey. No, bird.
raise your arm. The other one.
Take your arm like that. Like that. Like that.
Hey! I feel it!
There's the white one.
Camera.
Hey! What the white wing?
No, the white one.
Green.
The white bird.
I'll hold you.
He's taking a picture, but I have to wait for your turn.
What's your name?
They say they're asking you what's your name. What's your name? What's your name?
Green parrot.
You want this one?
Pili ni sila sa bata, ma'am.
Ay, yun siya sa...
Ay,
Ayaw niya sa bata.
ayaw niya.
It doesn't like you. It doesn't like
A
kids.
red one.
Adults only.
You want the red one?
Red parrot.
Red parrot na lang.
Red parrot.
Hi. Ganyan pala siya pagtawa. Hi. Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya. Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, red parrot.
Keep your hands straight. Keep your hands straight. Like that.
Oh, hey.
Hey! Don't hold the wings.
Don't squeeze the parrot, okay?
Mag-bird feeding tayo again.
Parrot. Come out. Come down. Come out. Come out, Rita.
Go ask her.
Please come down.
Please calm down.
Please come down, please.
Go ask the green bird to come down.
Green bird, come down, please.
His name is Midori.
Dory.
Dory, come down quickly, please.
Go ask him. Ask her. Babae pala si Dory.
Paano pag isa ka koy og sa ano?
Go ask her.
Sa bird?
Ask her to come down.
Usher, come down here, please.
Come to my arms.
Come my arm, please. Come my arm.
Go. Ask her.
Come down. That I can get a green parrot. Get down, bird. Get down. Green bird. That I want to green bird. Come down. My